Hey everyone, this is Gaines with DuVall Financial Group, where we help people with retirement solutions, capital preservation, and insurance protection. Today I'm going to answer a question about the insurance protection side of things that I get asked all the time. And it is, why should I have life insurance on my children? That is the last thing that I would think that I need, and nothing is ever going to happen to my kids. And you're probably right. There is a very good chance that nothing is ever going to happen to your kids while they're children. But here are the three main reasons to still get life insurance on your kids. Number one is unfortunately the worst part to talk about, but if, God forbid, something did happen to your kids, there would be less financial strain. I know that if something happened to one of my kids, the last thing I would do would be going back to work the next day or even the next month. So there would be financial strain on our family. Now, let's move on from that subject because that's not a fun one. So why else should I have life insurance on my kids? Number two is future insurability. Every single day or every single year that you have a birthday, your life insurance gets more and more and more expensive to go out and get. So if you provide your children with a nice life insurance policy while they are young, and it is the least expensive that it will ever be, you're giving them an incredible gift. And if you work with a firm like ours and we structure it properly, you can increase that death benefit as they get older and older. So even if your child is 25 years old, fresh out of college, getting married, starting their life, and they need more insurance, but they have extreme health issues and maybe they're not insurable anymore, that policy that you got them when they were 5, 10, or 15 years old can actually be increased. So future insurability is, in my opinion, probably the most important reason to get life insurance on your kids now. Now, number three is that if structured properly, a cash value life insurance policy can build up substantial growth of cash that you can use for whatever you want to use it for. You're the owner of this life policy. So if you want to use it to help supplement for college, if you want to use it to help pay for their wedding or their first car or whatever you want to use it for, the cash that grows inside of that policy, if structured properly, can be used for anything. So for $25 to $50 a month or whatever you want to put into it, you can provide your child with the proper life insurance for your family if something, God forbid, happened to them. You can provide them future insurability, which is an incredible gift to give them, and you can build up cash accumulation inside of it that can be used for whatever you want. So the next step is to simply reach out to myself or any of the reps at DuVall Financial Group. We can talk about your situation, build the right policy with the right company for you at the absolute best price you can possibly get out there. And within a day or two, if your kid is healthy now, we can have them insured properly in no time. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this was very helpful.